this is Shirley from RETECH Farming. Now we are in our project located in Qingdao area, Kenya. Now this farm raised more than 60,000 layers per house with HF air easy equipment, 5 tier place. And you can see automatic feeding system, drinking, when you're cleaning, and collecting system. Every day is automatic, so you can see a lot of the labor, and also the management is very easy. So let's follow me. Let's show you.
RETECH Farming, the most reliable farming service provider.